Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I did this hot oil treatment on my hair. As you all can see, my hair is very dry, it's dusty, it's crusty, it's very tangly as you can see, and it just needs a little bit of TLC. Normally when my hair gets like this around this time of the year, I normally like to do a hot oil treatment, and it really works. It adds moisture to my hair and makes it a little bit more manageable. So of course I am going to apply this hot oil treatment in sections, and you're gonna need water. If your hair is like mine and it is super tangly, you're going to need water to be able to separate the curls. And my curls are very tight. I can't remember if this was a braid out or twist out, but it was definitely some style that got very tangly. After finger detangling, I am going to use my widest tooth comb to further get those shedded strands out of my hair, and this just makes it easier to apply the oil. So let's get into the ingredients. I will be using grapeseed oil, avocado oil, peppermint oil, black castor oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, and I will be using a funnel to get all of these oils inside of this container. The grapeseed oil is a carrier oil and it helps with moisture, as similar to the avocado oil that helps makes the hair silkier and softer and also shinier. And then with this almond oil, I really like almond oil because it helps prevent dandruff, and it's also another carrier oil. The argan oil is a staple for me because it helps a lot with maintaining the frizz that come about with our natural hairstyles, and this tea tree oil helps with our hair roots and making sure it cures dry, itchy scalp, and the peppermint oil helps stimulates the health of the scalp and keeps it clean. And of course I am going to finish this off with some black castor oil because I love how moisturizing this oil is, and I use it most of the time every single week in some of my hairstyles. And I give it a little shake before applying it to my scalp. I like to apply it to my scalp first because of course that's where our hair comes from, and I like to make sure I massage it into my scalp before adding it to the ends and length of my hair. As you all can see here, I am working that product through, making sure that I smooth it into the hair cuticle. I do have low porosity hair, so it requires a lot of smoothing for me, and I like to make sure that my hair kind of like just gets a little bit moisturized and damp looking, and that's when I know that the oil is actually seeping into the hair strands. And I will use this comb to make sure that the oils are evenly distributed throughout the hair. And then I finish it off with a twist, and I move on to the next section, making sure that I cover my entire head with the hot oil treatment.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong.
And once we're halfway done, I can finally see the finish line. And here's what it looks like when I have covered my head in the entire treatment. As you all can see here, I am adding more oil to my scalp and finishing off with a final massage before adding my plastic cap. Now today, I am not going to sit up under a dryer to let this hot oil treatment penetrate. However, I am going to tie one of my favorite turbans right on top, and I will show you all how I do that in the next clip.
Drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said, but I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that, love me like that? Oh.
After a couple of hours, I am ready to remove the hot oil treatment and begin styling my hair. So I am, of course, taking off my turban, and you can see that the cap is smashed to my head. My twists have shrunken. Whenever your twists shrink like this, that's how you know that the moisture is in the hair. And I love how soft my hair feels. I love how shiny it looks. And I'm just so happy to have rejuvenated this moisture into my hair. And I know that my next hairstyle is going to come out looking great. And as you all can see, once I remove the twist, my hands are oily. However, you can tell that my hair looks moisturized and I haven't even washed or deep conditioned yet. And after I have my hair like this, I do go ahead and follow up with a shampoo, deep conditioner, and I style my hair for the week. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!